This is Casey from Trailgrid Pro. Today we're going to install the third brake light from Morimoto on a 5th gen 4Runner. Let's get it unboxed. To complete this installation, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So let's get started on this install. You'll remove 2 bolts, one on the left, one on the right. So let's get to it. Got one on your left. Set that down in a nice safe place. Move on to the one on your right. Once you remove both bolts, there's a little connector. Push in your little pin. Remove your old brake light. To install your new third brake light, you just reverse the steps, plug in your connector, 2 bolts, and that's it. Plug it in, push it up into your spot, replace your 2 bolts. Start with the right one. And then install your left one. You're going to want to make sure you have them both snug down. The installation of your Morimoto third brake light on your 5th gen 4Runner is that easy. Now let's see it in action. If you're looking to pick this up, go to our shop at www.trailgridpro.com, and like always, have a blast out there.